Hi guys. Today I'm going to explain the glycolysis. Now, first of all, I am going to tell you what is glycolysis. Glycolysis it is the first stage of the cellular respiration and it is also known as the EM pathway or Embeden-Meyerhof pathway. Now then we comes towards the definition of glycolysis. Glycolysis is defined as the sequence of reactions converting glucose to pyruvate with releasing energy. Glycolysis is the most important process. Then next question comes in mind and what is the purpose of glycolysis and what is the significance of glycolysis? Glycolysis is present in most of the living organism. Glycolysis is the most common pathway in both aerobic and anaerobic respiration. It occurs in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. The process of glycolysis occurs in cytosol and we can say that cytoplasm. It is a very important process of energy generation for those organisms who do not possess mitochondria. In glycolysis, one molecule of glucose splits into two molecules of pyruvate. Glucose is a hexase, means glucose contains 6 carbon. Pyruvate is a triose, means contain 3 carbon. Pyruvate is also known as pyruvic acid. Then we can see the structure of glucose and pyruvate. In respiration, it is the main process. Glycol. Now the glycolysis cycle. The precursor of glycolysis is glucose. Then we starts the process. Glucose. Glucose is converted into glucose 6-phosphate by using hexokinase enzyme. Then glucose 6-phosphate convert into fructose 6-phosphate by using enzyme phosphohexose isomerase. And then fructose 6-phosphate is converted into fructose 1,6 biphosphate by enzyme phosphofructokinase 1. The most important process and then fructose 1,6 biphosphate is converted into dihydroxyacetone phosphate by using enzyme aldolase. And then dihydroacetone phosphate converting into glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate 2 molecule by using enzyme triose phosphate isomerase. It is interconvertible to each other. And then glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate is converted into 2 molecule of 1,2 biphosphoglycerate glycerate by using enzyme glyceraldehyde phosphate dehydrogenase. And then 1,2 biphosphoglycerate converted into 3-phosphoglycerate by using enzyme phosphoglycerate kinase. And then 3-phosphoglycerate converted into 2 molecule of phosphoglycerate by using enzyme phosphoglycerate mutase. And then 2-phosphoglycerate is converted into phosphophenol pyruvate by using enzyme enolase. And it's the last process. The phosphophenol pyruvate is converted into pyruvate by using enzyme pyruvate kinase. The enzymes very important in respiration is the main process. Glycolysis, then link reaction, and then Krebs cycle, and then electron transport chain.